Little French outfits and stuff. Like, oui, ma posse, y'all. Look at these. These shits is so cold. I can't wait to get rich. Please watch my videos. I want to cry. What's up, guys? Johnson, I'm back with another video. Y'all, I'm starting this day off, this vlog off late, because I went back to sleep, because I've been so tired. Like, I don't know if it's the time difference or what, y'all, but I've been so tired, like, I don't get it. So, I'm eating leftovers, what I cooked the other day. I'm supposed to go into the boat ride, so we can do that. Give me a little something to eat first. But yeah, y'all already know I'm gonna record for y'all, because I stay on with this vlogging. If this don't let you know I'm dedicated, and I don't know what is, okay? I'm gonna get back to y'all when we leave out and head to the boat ride. Stay tuned. Look at the ceiling. Crazy. There's hotels everywhere around, y'all. It's hot out here though, child. Ooh. Y'all, we really out here in the strip of Las Vegas. Like, when I tell y'all that I'm going out of town, I bet next time y'all gonna want to come with me, because I don't play. When I come, I'm coming. Coming for all heads. That's I'm not good with actors, y'all. Oh, that's Beyonce, y'all. Is that supposed to be Justin Bieber? I know they didn't disrespect my Chloe, sis. I've been waiting on me and you. Look, this is my good sis. Look, Good American Jeans. Don't play with her. Look at Jamie Foxx. Why they do, bruh? Why they do him like that? They really disrespected him. Damn, they glued that shit on. Okay, I peeped the tats. Y'all, look at Will Smith. This is him and Hitch. Damn, this shit looks so real. Bro, that's real hair. Crazy. Look, y'all, I finally got a new bead. Okay, sis, who did your edges? Look, my sister came through. Who won the world? Girls, period. Made it to the sports edition. I have no idea who none of these people are, because I don't play sports. This is the golf guy. Why Tiger Woods not up here? Tennis, why Serena Williams not up here? Why Babe Ruth not up here? They got the white folks, you know what I'm saying? Look, we got Shaquille O'Neal, you know what I'm saying? Shaq. Oh wait, Babe Ruth. Oh, that is Babe Ruth. Y'all, I did not know Babe Ruth was white. Wow. Yeah, look at all that armpit hair. Big ass nigga. So y'all, look at, is this Mike Tyson? I hope so. Greatest boxer alive, and he coming out of retirement. Yes, sir. They winning championships. All right, y'all, we out of here. We finna go look at some more stuff until the boat ride. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Is this, don't tell me, Jimmy Hendrix. Wow, Lenny Kravitz. Y'all don't know nobody. Who is this? Fergie? Bruh. Who put these braids on Stevie? Oh no! This is the wedding chapel for The Hangover, y'all. Open 7 days till midnight. Y'all seen every hangover there was. Yes, sir. With the candy. Oh my God, the Blue Man Group. Y'all always wanted to go to the Blue Man Group. Oh my God. They just be looking so weird. They don't do nothing but splatter paint. They look so weird, but I love it, y'all. I love it. We just got to the Marvel movie. Spider-Man, we got the whole Captain America. I think we're gonna watch a movie, go through this door, because it's a 4D experience. So I don't know if I can record for y'all, but y'all already know I'm gonna get the best footage for y'all, so stay tuned. Y'all, we in the movie, they give us these 3D glasses. Y'all gotta go. Stay tuned. Thank you! Oh, okay, I guess I'll get them. Y'all, they gave us roses, how sweet. Y'all, we finally finna get on the ride. Oh, this way. It's hot too. Oh shoot, I can't drink. Oh.
Wait a minute. Who are...
Man, okay. Damn it. Little French outfits and stuff. Like, oui, ma posse, boss, y'all.
Boy, if you don't
get on the boat.
For the outside, we go very slow. The inside, I'm sure you noticed the motor. They motor the whole way.
Dang, we should have got on. So right now, y'all, we're really just walking the strip. I think we smoke all the weed, y'all. So at this point, I think we're finna go to the drive-in dispensary that we heard about. But this is like a strip. This has a lot of nice stores, just good scenery. So we might walk this and then go back to the car. I don't really know, but it's dumb hot, so I can't be out here for too long. But y'all, got my drink. If y'all ever see anything in my cup, it's not juice and it's not water, okay? You feel me? That's that liquor. You feel me? What's up, y'all? I'm sorry to give y'all some bad news. My phone is on 4%, y'all. 4%, but we is in the mall. And when I tell y'all Las Vegas is fancy, I've never heard of none of these stores. These gotta be higher up in stores. Never. It's not no Macy's. It's not no Foot Locker. It's not even no H&M, and I thought that was higher up. Like, man, I don't even shop at H&M myself. I shop at TJ Maxx, bitch, the discount. But it's just crazy, y'all. We out here in Vegas with it. I'm trying to get as much footage before my phone dies as possible. But yeah. Oh, is there anything over here? Oh, let's do skee ball. It's like people just stand outside everywhere we go. Like, you go into a venue and it's just niggas standing. Oh, I thought that was I thought that was a statue. It's just niggas standing outside directing traffic. Like, put your mask on, please. No smoking in this area. You can smoke over there. Like, damn, nigga, can I just walk freely in Vegas? Like, it's always somebody here trying to. That wasn't the word I was gonna use, but yeah, that works too. But yeah, I think I want some sushi, y'all. I'm not sure. I just want like 1 or 2 pieces. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get to y'all when we find something, a store or something. Our friend Jared is, oh, Louis Vuitton. Let's go up in here real quick. Okay, Kate Spade. Yeah, I told y'all these are higher up in malls. They got Louis Vuitton, Kate Spade up in here. I'm waiting for the Gucci, Michael Kors. Y'all know how I feel about MK. But yeah, our friend Jared's supposed to be pulling up. He 5 hours away. Please use main entrance. Where's the main entrance? That's not the main entrance. But y'all friend Jared pulling up. Y'all already know my boy Jared. If y'all haven't, go watch the video we did a little minute ago. It was called a Hot One segment. I only did 1 video because it wasn't really how I wanted it to be. I didn't get the, you know what I'm saying, what I wanted. But I'm gonna get to y'all when he pull up and we do an activity. Y'all look at all this Louis V, LV on my collar full of feet. Excuse me. Y'all, when I get rich, I really want to buy. Y'all see them Louis Vuitton boots down there at the bottom? I'm gonna show y'all when we get inside, but they at full capacity because the corona, so we gotta stay outside till somebody leave. But y'all, when I get some money, I'm gonna really start. I'm buying a stylist, and y'all gonna see a whole new me. Like, this shit is cute, but I just wouldn't know what to wear. But I like Louis V. I just like the brown design. I don't know, y'all. Look at these. These shits is so cold. I can't wait to get rich. Please watch my videos. I wanna cry. This is like something my mama will wear. These not even cute. It's just the brand name. You can get these at here for TJ Maxx for 20. That's crazy. Hey, y'all, I really want a Louis V luggage set. Like, if I could get one of these and then like one of these on this side. Like, if I could get, but I want mine to say, y'all, if I get a brand, I want the whole brand to be shown all around. Like, okay, they say Louis Vuitton on one side, but you can't tell it's Louis Vuitton. But if I get me something like this or something like this, you already know this is Louis Vuitton. If I'm gonna get something that's Louis Vuitton, I need to be known that it's Louis Vuitton, you feel me? But I get one of these. I think this is the men's section. These shits is ugly. These look like the goddamn Skechers shoes. Hell nah. The men's section ain't even popping like the women's for real. Y'all, Johnny done got us at this ice cream place. Y'all, my phone finna die, so hopefully we get back to the hotel so I can charge it. But I think we're gonna go to drive-in weed dispensary. Hopefully I can charge my phone in the car so I can record that for y'all. But stay tuned because you already know it's a vlog. Weed dispensary. So basically for the drive-in you have to place the order online, which we didn't. So we just decided to come up inside. It's so many different flavors, y'all. Like, oh my god. Y'all comment down below what y'all like to smoke. Indicas, sativas, hybrids. Y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? So y'all, we in Walmart. Got all this stuff. And it's closing in 5 minutes. Y'all, it's so many people in here. Like, oh my god. And they is kicking folks out. Folks is running out stealing, y'all. Oh my god. This is too much. My mask falling down. But I'm gonna get to y'all when we get up out of here, okay? Y'all, my eyes is dumb red. So, y'all, I ended up cooking hamburgers and french fries. You feel me? You're not doing wonderful if we don't, if I do stuff on myself. We didn't have no condiments like ketchup and mayonnaise, so we just had to eat it. You know what I'm saying? Dry bush are cool because we had turkey instead of ground beef, you know? And turkey, you know what I'm saying? It's a little bit, you know what I'm saying, a little sun. When I make it, it be tasting real good, you feel me? So yeah, that's it for today. We was gonna go to the strip club, but our friend Jerry's coming, and it don't make sense to go right now. And then by the time we get here, we're gonna have to come back and leave to go get him, you know what I'm saying? So, we're just gonna do that another day. But, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm finna go ahead and do this video right now so I can upload. Stay tuned for more footage. It's only the beginning. I'm going up this year. Stop playing with me.